Welcome to the channel, everyone! Ever dreamed of blasting off into space? Well, pack your bags and maybe a spacesuit, because space tourism is about to become a reality. By 2050, we are not just talking about billionaires taking joyrides, we're talking about commercial space flights that'll take everyday people into orbit. Imagine sipping zero-gravity cocktails while gazing back at Earth, or taking a spacewalk with the Milky Way as your backdrop. It's about pushing the boundaries of human exploration and making space accessible to everyone, not just astronauts, but it's not just about tourism. By 2050, our presence in space will be more established. Think lunar bases, asteroid mining operations, and even the first manned missions to Mars. It's about expanding humanity's reach beyond Earth and unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. And who knows what we'll find out there. New technologies, new resources, maybe even new life. Space exploration is the ultimate adventure. And the discoveries we make could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place in it. So buckle up, space cadets, because the future of humanity is up there among the stars. And by 2050, we'll be taking giant leaps towards making space a part of our everyday reality. Okay, let's be real. We all want to live longer, healthier lives. And guess what? By 2050, thanks to mind-blowing advancements in healthcare technology, we just might get our wish. We're not just talking about treating diseases, we're talking about eradicating them altogether. Imagine a world without cancer, Alzheimer's, or HIV/AIDS. With gene editing technologies like CRISPR, we'll be able to correct genetic defects, essentially hitting the delete button on hereditary diseases. It's like rewriting the code of life itself. But it's not just about gene editing. AI-powered diagnostic tools will analyze our medical data with incredible accuracy, identifying diseases in their earliest stages when they're most treatable. Personalized medicine will become the norm, with treatments tailored to our unique genetic makeup and lifestyles. And get this, we'll even be able to regrow damaged organs using 3D bioprinting, eliminating the need for organ transplants. It's like having a biological spare parts factory right at our fingertips. By 2050, healthcare will be about predicting, preventing, and curing diseases rather than simply managing them. It's about extending human lifespan, improving quality of life, and creating a future where everyone has the chance to live a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. All right, fitness junkies and tech geeks, this one's for you. Imagine a world where your sweat, yes, your sweat, powers your smartphone, smartwatch, or even your headphones. No, I'm not messing with you. Sweat-powered technology is coming, and it's about to revolutionize the way we think about energy. Here's how it works. Scientists have developed special biosensors that can harvest the energy generated from your sweat. As you exercise and perspire, these sensors convert the chemical energy in your sweat into electrical energy, which can then be used to power your devices. Talk about a serious motivator to hit the gym, right? But it's not just about ditching the charger. Sweat-powered wearables can also provide real-time insights into your performance, tracking your electrolyte levels, hydration status, and even your glucose levels. And here's the kicker. These devices will be able to replenish the electrolytes lost through sweat, essentially acting as a self-powering sports drink. It's like having a personal trainer and a hydration station all wrapped up in one tiny sweat-powered package. So get ready to say goodbye to dead batteries and hello to a future where your workout fuels your tech. It's a win-win for your fitness goals and the environment. Okay, get ready to have your mind blown, because we're about to dive into the world of DNA computing. And no, I'm not talking about some sci-fi mumbo-jumbo. This is real science that's about to change the game in a major way. So what is DNA computing? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like, using DNA, the building blocks of life, to store and process information. Think of it like this. Your body is a walking, talking supercomputer, and your DNA is the ultimate hard drive. Here's the thing. DNA is insanely efficient at storing data, like mind-blowingly efficient. A single gram of DNA can hold more information than millions of iPhones. We're talking about the potential to store the entire world's data in a space the size of a sugar cube. But it's not just about storage. DNA can also be used to perform complex calculations. Scientists have already developed DNA-based computers that can solve mathematical problems, run simulations, and even play games. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but will I ever get to use a DNA computer? Well, maybe not in the next few years, but by 2050, DNA computing could revolutionize fields like medicine, material science, and artificial intelligence. Imagine using DNA computers to develop new drugs, create ultra-efficient solar panels, or even design the next generation of AI. The possibilities are literally endless. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the incredible world of future tech that's about to transform our lives by 2050. From AI and robots to sustainable living and space exploration, the future is looking pretty darn exciting. Of course, these are just a few of the countless technological advancements that are on the horizon. Who knows what other mind-blowing innovations will emerge in the years to come? One thing's for sure, the future is full of possibilities, and technology will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping the world of tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. See you next time.